Welcome to day 5 of school lunch ideas. So on today's video, we are packing lunch again, and we are using these thermos that I use most of the time. You should be familiar with these thermos at this point. Anyway, we are gonna go ahead and start off by putting water into the thermos so that the thermos can remain hot for the rest of the day, and just close it and put it aside while you do something else. That usually helps for me anyway. So I'm then gonna go ahead and pack the snack box. On the snack box today, I'm gonna use these lunch boxes. Now let me tell you something. I always plan to use the same lunch box for the week, but most of the time it does not happen because somebody will come back and tell me that they forgot their lunchbox in school. Then I have no option than to use a different lunchbox, so that I don't have to talk about lunchboxes, just so that the video doesn't be about the lunchboxes. So that's why I try to use the same lunchbox for at least 5 lunchboxes. Like that means the same lunchbox for the week. So I wish I could do that, but anyway, let's go ahead and pack these apples. The girls, they do love apples, and they do eat apple without even me having to slice it. So but I just slice it like this so that it will be easy for them to eat it. And also it fits better on this lunchbox like this if I slice it this way. So I slice the apples, and remember to keep the apples nice and fresh for the day. You can either just wash them with salt, make sure you rinse them before you put them into the lunchbox, or you can also just drizzle some fresh lemon if your children don't mind the taste of lemon. So the girls, I have not really been doing that one. I always just wash them with salt, so then they remain the same until they come back from school. Even if I decide to eat them myself, if they came back with them, they are always just exactly the same as I packed them in the morning. And for something sweet, because I was out yesterday, I bought them a ring donut. So I always prefer if they eat half of the ring donut, they don't eat the full one. So I bought 2 of them, and yesterday I gave them half. So I did have one left. So I decided to surprise them by using it for their lunchbox for today. So I cut it in half, and then I also cut the half again into another half so it can fit into the lunchbox properly. And that was what I did here. It's just a sugar donut. It's a half of the sugar donut. Then I went ahead and put these crepes. These are the Dory that used to be their favorite at some point, but at this point I am not able to put the full packet for them because they won't eat it. So it is, it's crazy with the children. Sometimes they change. They might like something for some time, and then they will switch to something else. They like different one now, so I had to still use these ones so that I can finish them, because who is gonna eat them? So that is why I have to use them. So I just open one packet and put it between the 2 of them. So I would do it like that until they finish the ones I have at home. And after that, I always try to remember to put the napkin for them, so that in case they spill something, they won't have to rush to the bathroom to go and clean themselves. They will have something to wipe themselves. Then I also made the juice for them. You know what? I'm gonna try to be creating videos where I will show you every process that I'm doing. Even when I make the juices in the morning, it's just to on the camera in the morning sometimes. Anyway, I made this juice. This is apple and orange. I just mixed the 2, apple and no, not apple and orange. What am I saying? Anyway, it is orange and carrot. So I did just blend the orange and carrots, and then just sieve it and to make sure that it doesn't have anything at all. Is smooth, so they like it. It's nice and fresh. Then I don't forget the cutleries. I always just make sure that I put them. And now bringing back the hot water on the thermos, I have to empty that and try to get the food into these thermoses as quick as possible so that the food can remain hot for the day. Otherwise, if I leave it hot like this for some time, trust me, the hotness will escape from it and it will remain cold. So don't do this. Just maybe open one and pour the water out and put the water into one and close it. Don't do what I just did here, because I just want to show you that I do this all the time. And trust me, while this is open like this, I could be doing something else. They could be asking me to help them to fix their shirt or something, and I will leave it like this open. Like, why did I even heat it up if I'm gonna leave it open again? So don't do that anyway. But it helped here because the potato was very hot. It was just from the cooker, so it really, the food, it wasn't cold because it was very hot from the cooker. So I also put some of this mince, beef mince stew that we had yesterday. So that was what I made with the potato today, but I boil the potato in the morning. Sometimes if I'm gonna use potatoes, I always try to peel the potatoes a day before so that it will be quicker for me in the morning. But again, remember that for kids, you're only making maybe about 2 potatoes, so it to peel the potatoes doesn't take time either. So you can do that within few minutes and you are done. I always make this mess, but I always try to make sure that I clean it, because yeah, sometimes it can be very difficult to make sure that there's nothing spilled at all as you're putting the food into the thermos. So now that I am done, I'm gonna pack everything into the lunch box, in the lunch bag, because now I am done putting all their food into their lunchbox. I always start off with Adora, so I'm gonna just pack Adora's food into her lunch bag so that she will be ready to rock and roll. She'll be ready to go. Now again, one of the things you have to remember is to put the food thermos facing up to the side where there's a handle, so that way it does not face down. When I first started packing lunch boxes, I used to face it down because I don't know why, but anyway, yeah, so don't do that. You just make sure that it's facing up towards the handle. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pack Chichi's own. Now for Chichi's own, you might see some things missing sometimes when I'm packing something, or you might see something different. Why? Because this lady, she comes back with half of the things that she goes to school with almost every day. Before I finish this video, I want to ask you to please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know every time I upload. And I want to say a very big thank you for 500 subscribers. We made it to 500 subscribers. Thank you so much.